Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing healthy sabudana soup, ideal to include in your fasting days. So let's get started with the recipe. To make sabudana soup, I have already soaked half cup or 100 grams of sabudana. What I have done is I have washed and rinsed the sabudana a couple of times in water, and then I strained the sabudana and added into this bowl, and then added some water. The water should be just above the sabudana, and I allowed it to soak for about 1 to 2 hours. And 1 to 2 hours later, the sabudana is nicely soaked, and you can see that it is soft as well. If you take a sabudana and lightly mash it, then it will turn out to be soft. And note that the sabudana is non-sticky and it is perfectly soaked. I'm heating a cast iron pan with 1 teaspoon A2 desi ghee. Once the ghee is heated, reduce the flame to the medium, and then I'm adding in 2 tablespoons peanuts, and I'm lightly roasting the peanuts on medium flame. Roasting the peanuts in A2 desi ghee will give a nice flavor and crunch to the soup. Once the peanuts are lightly roasted, remove to a plate. Into the same pan, I'm adding in 2 teaspoons A2 desi ghee. Once the ghee is heated, I'm adding in half teaspoon jeera, also known as cumin seeds. Once the jeera splutter, reduce the flame to the lowest and add in 1/4 inch of finely chopped ginger, 1 green chilli finely chopped, and give it a good stir. Green chilli you can increase or decrease as per your taste. Next, I'm adding in 1 small potato finely chopped. Cover for about 1.5 to 2 minutes. Instead of potatoes, you can also use 1/4 of a sweet potato finely chopped. Open the lid, give it a good stir. Also notice that I am using a well seasoned cast iron pan, hence the potatoes will not get stick to the pan and it will get lightly roasted. Cooking in a cast iron helps in better iron absorption. Into this, I am adding in the soaked sabudana. Sabudana is also known as tapioca pearls or sago. I'm giving it a good mix. Add in 3 cups of water. Add in pink Himalayan salt as needed. 2 to 3 minutes later, open the lid and give it a good stir. Notice that the soup has started to thicken. I'm just giving it a good stir and making sure that the sabudana is not getting stick to the bottom of the pan. For half cup of sabudana, I used 3 cups of water. At this point, you can check salt. If you feel you need more salt, you can add in. Cover and let it cook. A total of about 10 to 12 minutes will be ideal to get the sabudana cooked. 7 to 8 minutes later, I'm again opening the lid and I'm just giving it a good stir. I'm just making sure that nothing is getting stick to the pan. And once it is transparent, then you can turn off the flame. So I'm going to cover it again and let it cook. Another 2 minutes or a total of 12 minutes later, open the lid, give it a stir. At this point, the sabudana is cooked and is transparent. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take some pieces of the potato and I'm lightly mashing it with a spoon. And then I'm adding it back into the soup. This way the soup will be more tasty and thicker. Add in half teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder. Black pepper and green chilies you can increase as per your taste. Coriander leaves as needed. Add in the roasted peanuts. Turn off the flame. Squeeze in 1 whole lemon. Give it a good stir. At this stage you can check salt. If you feel you need more salt, you can add in. And my super healthy sabudana soup is ready to serve. I'm going to transfer this to a bowl. And my super healthy sabudana soup is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy sabudana soup and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.